guys, it's your girl Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about IU's makeup specifically for her new single, Lilac. And I just thought, what a missed opportunity. It's just one of those cases where, you know, she always does kind of the same makeup look, and there's nothing wrong with that. It looks good on her. But I just thought they could have been a little bit more playful with the colors, maybe with the application, kind of changed it up a little bit, but instead we kind of got the same kind of brown, smoky eye with a little bit of a winged liner. So I thought maybe we could switch it up a little bit, and this is what I think her look could have looked like for her music video. So something that I have noticed with Korean makeup, especially if they use colors or darker colors, they like to focus it around the crease, the outer crease, and usually towards the lash line. They usually don't take it up too high. I understand that her eye shape is a little bit different than mine, so I'm going to try to see how I can kind of work with that using their kind of techniques on my eye shape. So I've already gone in and done my brows, and I set down a base. I just used a concealer. So I just popped on some mascara on my top and bottom lashes, and I'm gonna go in and do an eyeliner. I'm getting ready for this because they do their eyeliner a little bit differently than I do mine. Usually they'll have it closer to the lash line, and they usually have it go either straight, or in the case of IU, she has a tendency to do her eyeliner downwards. So I'm gonna have to concentrate really hard for this part. I held my breath the entire time, but we got through it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I'm going to be going in with a BB cream, and we'll do blush and lip after that. Ink velvets, and they are amazing. If you haven't purchased one yet, I would highly suggest purchasing any of the colors. All of them fantastic. She does like to do like lip gradients quite a lot, and is usually like kind of a red color, so I'm going to be applying that and kind of just blotting out the edges so that it's not so harsh. I just love that formula so much. It's just so creamy, it goes on so smooth, it doesn't feel like there's anything on your lips, and it dries down pretty well. There is a little bit of transfer, so keep that in mind, but it's so comfortable to wear. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my lips. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is the finished look. I think it turned out pretty good, and this is in no way saying that they should have done this look exactly. It's more of saying they could have been a little bit more creative, a little bit more playful with the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you think of my look, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!